Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add footer in Squarespace. This is my website on Squarespace, and as you can see, this home page does not have a footer. In order to add a footer here, first I need to log in to my Squarespace account. Then click on this website button below your Squarespace website. Click on Pages to locate the page you want to work on. I want to work on this home page. Click on this Edit button to go into the editing mode and scroll down to the bottom and click on this Add section below Add Site Footer. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Select one of these footer templates. Let's go with this one. After editing your site footer, don't forget to click on this save button to not lose your work. Now click on exit in order to preview your website live. And this is how to add a footer in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.